Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on WordPress tutorials by BR Tech World. In this video, I will tell you that how you can add your Instagram feed in your WordPress website. So for this particular video, I'm going to use a plugin, and let's start the video by going to our WordPress dashboard. So to visit the WordPress dashboard, we need to write here wp-admin. Then we will be redirected to our login page, and then you need to fill your password, and then you will get your dashboard like this. Okay, so now we need to install that plugin. So go on this plugins area in the side menu, click on add new. Okay, now here in this keyword section, we have to search for our plugin. Right here social feed. Okay, now it will search for that plugin, and here is the first plugin that we are going to use, and also we are going to see this plugin also. So here I have installed this plugin. Let's activate it, and before activating it, we are going to install this. Okay, now let's activate it. Okay, we need to wait for some time so that we can activate it. Okay, now activate this and also activate. Now click on skip. If you want to allow and continue, then you can do the same. I am not allowing it because I don't want to get extra notification from this plugin. Okay, if you want to see the tutorial, you can check this also, and even we are going to explore everything here. Okay, so here are some custom feeds like for Instagram and for Facebook feeds. So let's start with Instagram feed. Click on use this feature. Okay, now it's showing that you can connect your account here. If you see here, we have connect my account or set up manually. So we are going to connect our account that is already created on Instagram. So here I have a dummy account. Here I have a account that is just for testing purpose. Let's connect. Click on connect. Okay, now if you see, I have already logged in my account in this laptop, so it's showing me to allow. Click on allow. We need to give it the permission so that we can add this to our website. Okay, it said that successfully authenticated. Now click on use. Okay, now here we get a code that is a short code. You can copy this short code. Okay, and then we will go to our page and we'll paste it out there. Okay, now here we have some parameters that you can decide. Then the third option is customizing skin. Okay, now here you can decide the layout for your feed. So for example, if you see here we get this first grid, then masonry layout, then carousel layout, and then this half width layout, also this full width layout. Let's go with this full width. Copy skin. Okay, so this is the pro version. We cannot use it, we can only use the free versions. This is also okay. So let's go with the normal feed. That is I hope that will be the grid version. Let's go to the post area, and now click on all post. We are going to add this in a post just for the trial purpose. Now click on this post, edit with Elementor. Even you can edit with WordPress as well. Okay, now let's search here for the short code. Drag it here and now paste that code here. Okay, if you see here, we get our Instagram feed. You can if somebody come to your website, click on this follow on Instagram, then he or she can follow you on your Instagram account. Okay, so if they click on follow on Instagram, then they will be redirected to your page. Okay, so this is how you can add your Instagram feed in your WordPress website. Now let's see how you can add your Facebook feed. Go to Facebook. Now here you also need to connect your Facebook account. You can add your Facebook page here. Click on connect. Okay, now I have 3 pages here. I need to select that one page that I want to connect there. Okay, now I click on next, click on done, and now click on okay. Okay, now we will get our shortcode here. Okay, now go to this use, go down and copy this shortcode here. Now let's go to your page again, and now again search for the shortcode. Okay, now drag it here again. Now paste that code manually here. Okay, if you see here, we get our post. As you can see here, we got our old post in this way. Okay, now if the user come, they can view this same post on Instagram. They can even follow from there, and also they can share your reels. Okay, if you see, this is how it's appearing right now. Okay, so I hope you are clear about how to add the Instagram feeds using this plugin. Now let's see the another plugin. The another plugin that I am using, that is Instagram feeds, that is Spotlight, that only allows for the Instagram feeds. Okay, click on continue, and now it will ask me to connect my Instagram here also. But at the same time, when you will try to add your account, the by default they will give their own account to add you on your website. Okay, so we are just trying it, so we can use their account also here. Okay, now click on add and connect and customize. Okay, now we need to paste its short code in our website. If you see here, we get an option to connect our personal account, or even you can take their account for testing purpose only, so that you can understand that how it works. Okay, so if you see, this is how it will appear, and these are the designs that you can use. The first is the grid version, then this highlight, then Snorri and slider. So these all three are for the paid version. You can't use them for free. Okay, you can get this a name. I'll write here Instagram feed. Okay, now click on save. Now our feed is saved. Go to connect. On these actions, we have three dots. Then click on these three dots, and then you will get your short code. Copy that short code and come on your page. Search for the short code here. Drag it here again and paste your short code. Feed has no sources. Let's connect our personal account. Click on allow. Maybe later. Click on save. And now go here, and you need to refresh your page for once. Click on reload. Come to the bottom of the page, and then again search for the short code. Drag it here. Paste your short code. Okay, it's still not appearing. Click on update preview changes. Okay, now if you see here, we get our Instagram post, and we get the follow me button here. If someone come and click on this follow me button, they might be redirected to your Instagram account, and they can follow you from there. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and after watching this video, you can easily connect your Instagram feed and your Facebook feed with your WordPress website. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this one.